Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to show you the brand new QVC Today's Special Value, which features Molton Brown. I am so excited about this deal. It's so good. In fact, it's so good that it's £60 off the RRP. Isn't that amazing? So it launched today, literally this morning, and it is available until the 1st of March at midnight. And the whole deal is £49.96 and you get 5 full-size items. Now, I have the fresh version of the collection, but if you're not into the fragrances that I'm going to show you, then don't worry, there is also a floral version, which you might like better. I will also say this, the fresh version I would say is unisex, but it's a little bit more masculine, whereas the floral version is, again, unisex, but it's a little bit more feminine. So yeah, take your pick and let me show you what you get because it's incredible. So the first item is a full-size bottle of the bath and shower gel. This is 300 ml. I have it in the wild mint and lavender, but of course in the floral version it will be a different scent. Next up we have another bath and shower gel, again 300 ml, and this one is in the blissful temple tree, which I'd never tried before, but I've just smelled and it smells incredible. Next up we have also the blissful temple tree, but this time in the body lotion, and again it's a full-size bottle. And then we have a full-size bottle of their hand wash. I have it in the blue Marquise, which again, I've only just smelled and it smells so good. Like honestly, really good. It's kind of eucalyptus-y. And then the final item is one of their hand creams. This smells so good. It's the orange and bergamot. It's honestly so nice. It's a 40 ml tube, so it's absolutely gorgeous and will last you for ages. And I just think it's an incredible bundle deal. Like, it's literally 5 items for less than £50, which is incredible because normally their bath and shower gels are like, they're near £30. They're not cheap. So it's a very good deal. And of course, if you don't like the fragrances that I have, you can also go for the floral version. Anyway, that is the deal. I just wanted to show it to you. And yeah, I hope you like it as much as I do. Also, the shopping link is in the description. It's an affiliate link, so please feel free to use it because it does help me out a lot. Also, that's where the refer a friend details are. So if you are new to QVC, you save £10 on your first order, which is kind of major, to be honest. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.